This is our video demonstration of the back glove box. Just want to point out right now we have our pressure set between 2 and 4 inches. You notice, just take note that the plus side is here and the minus side is here. So if I wanted to change it to a lower pressure, I would just adjust my range. You're adjusting the range here. So let's go to a negative range. You'll see that the gloves are being pulled in. Now it's using the vacuum, and I have a compressed air hooked up right now. The vacuum is our house vacuum. It's not going to come along with the system. We're just using this for demonstration purposes. So you can see now that the range is negative. I can set the range this way and then use our foot switch. And one thing to point out here is when you hit the right side, it does add pressure. As you see, the gloves are pushing out, and as you hit the left side, you'll evacuate the range. And as you can see, we're going to select the negative pressure. A few other things to point out real quick. We have a light switch here, which is plugged into our outlet down here. It's 110 volts. We have a manual purge here. You open that, and when you're at positive pressure, you want to open this to quickly purge out any gases. Over here we have our 2 valves that will, I'll go ahead and do it. I did a regeneration on this. The timer works, everything works fine on here, it heats up. I actually ran some forming gas through it. And you set your flow of your forming gas here at this particular gas. We're going to use 20 cubic feet per hour. You have an on-off switch here. So what you would do once your box is purged pretty well and you want to start using your purifier, you can go ahead and open your valves and then turn it to circulate. What that'll do is turn on this blower that's inside here and circulate the gas inside the box through your purifier. I don't know if you can see it, but that fan is moving. So I checked, that's working fine. Everything here is working fine. The generation works. The only thing I need to point out is that you do need your forming gas is going to be put into this line up top here. It's labeled regeneration gas. And then it'll exhaust out through here. And usually water vapor comes out, so I'll put it into a bucket. Again, to do the regeneration will take a few hours. Exactly, maybe somewhere around 8 hours, something like that. It's in the manual. And to start your regeneration, you'll go ahead and close your 2 valves. I'll just start it real quick. You're going to put it to start, and then you'll go ahead and hit your switch. And then you'll see a time for the heat, purge, and then it stays in vacuum mode. Once it's done, mode at that point, you'll go ahead and shut it off. Alright, and I guess the only other thing to show you is that you do have an antechamber here. Right now I have it set Atmosphere. You can go ahead and open that up. And you do have a sliding shelf. So what you'll do is place your work in here that you want to transfer in. Close the door. Go ahead and evacuate it manually. So basically that's how that works, and then to vent it, it's going to use the gas from inside the box called refill. You go ahead and refill your evacuation chamber. It'll try to maintain the range here. Typically I would do this at a higher pressure, so let's go ahead and bring that up. And we'll evacuate. They recommend you do 3 cycles, evacuate and refill, before you go ahead and open the inner door. I'll just go through this quickly. You you want to close your vacuum, and then open it up. Up to 2, 3, very quick. Close the refill, open the evacuation. And you'll want to go ahead and allow it to come all the way down and vacuum and then refill. But I'm just showing this for demonstration purposes. It needs to be at atmosphere so that you can open the inner door. So that's what we're doing here now. And then with that, you can go ahead and reach in with your glove. And you want to set this a little bit lower so that you can get your hands in the glove. So anyway, once you got your hands in the glove, you can go ahead and open the inner door. That'll stay open and you slide the shelf in. At this point, you'll go ahead and remove your work and place it inside. And then go ahead and close it up. So that's our demonstration of the back glove box.